Flowers bloom but then they fall, but that's the beauty of it all. Oh yeah, I'm letting go without the pain. There's a warmth that still remains. Never said it, but we knew. We were burning bright against the winter cold. Now we're learning how to let the summer go. And the highs and the lows left behind, I'll carry with me as I find all the words to say goodbye into the open sky. I'm standing where the seasons meet, but I never knew goodbyes could be so sweet.